Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 27th May 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 14, number 26, number 30, number 5, number 41, booster number 28, UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number, 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 2, number 13, number 27, number 44, number 30, booster number 16. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete now.